access to the internet. Now this one is on the internet.
This one's on the internet?
With the inside pictures and everything. I've got the sheet on it. So I just pull it up. Get some light on for you. Central Heating Air. The
Big
unit
room?
is 15 years old. So.
Big bathroom. I like the tub, the
I
bathroom. That's a pretty
know.
bathroom.
Me too. Ooh. You're right.
Now that is from some ants, and that's already been taken care of. They didn't replace the floor, but it's not termites at all. It is some carpenter ants got in here under a rug that you had and you didn't know it. There and in this front one, where the house is under a termite trap. They just didn't show up till they moved the rug. Oh, it's just that bedroom, I'm sorry. I thought it was this one. This is a good size.
Is this the master bedroom?
I would think this called the master.
So this is a 3-bedroom.
3 bedroom, 1, 2, 3, yes. And then 1 bath. With hardwood, I like that person, but you're not moving in on somebody else's dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the hardwood. And it looks good too, you know. This one would be real economical. And the lot's not bad, 0.33 acres. And you're close to the zoo.
Yeah.
This is the garage.
You get in there?
Now, you probably want to change his, the way you get in, you probably want to put it on an automatic door. But, because this one comes out. Yeah. It's a heavy one.
Hold on, Paul, please.
This is, this is, little storage area, and what I would do is make a door going into the kitchen right here. That way you wouldn't go in here and you just go straight into your kitchen. But, I mean, you've got lots of storage here.